Good morning, AP friends and scholars, and welcome to another week of AP Language and Composition. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you're up to this week. Once again, when you log into our class in Schoology, you can click into this week's folder, week of September 28th. As always, you can connect to This Day in History and check out the word of the day each day this week as well. If you scroll down, I have things set up just like I did last week, where I sort of give you a suggested overview for what you do on day 1, day 2, and day 3. And I'm not going to necessarily say that we're going to finish our work on seeing, looking, and watching this week, because we'll continue to think about these concepts throughout the remainder of the course, hopefully. However, we are going to formalize our thinking about these concepts this week with a one-pager assignment. So be sure as you're getting started this week to check out the assignment itself, to preview the assignment so that you know what that assignment is going to entail this week. Everything that we worked on last week and everything that you'll be working on this week is certainly material that can be incorporated into this one-pager assignment. This week is a little heavy on work, my scholars, so stick with the suggested timeline in order to make sure that you are working your way through in a way that is manageable. And I will keep that in mind as I set things up for next week as well, and I'll try to go a little bit lighter on our work for next week in light of that. So I hope that you enjoy the learning for this week. As always, if you have any questions for me or need to be in touch, please feel free to send me a text message or to send me an email, and I'll be glad to help. Have a great week.